Princess has a variety of available drink packages. Just the other day we did a video that detailed the alcohol packages, so we'll leave a link in our description below for that video. But today we're going to talk about what's in their non-alcoholic packages, so hey, let's get right to it. Before we get into the details of the non-alcoholic packages, let's remind you of what's included if you go without a drink package. So if you don't get a drink package, you can have juices during breakfast, non-bottled water, like that comes from one of those dispensers or whatever. There's iced tea available, and then brewed coffee. Now, it's not a lot, but you're certainly not going to go thirsty.
So let's start with the classic soda package. The classic soda package includes fountain sodas, cans of soda, and juices, excluding the fresh juice bar. It also includes mocktails and smoothies as per the menu.
Would you like this video? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. We've done a bunch of videos on Princess, and we're going to be doing videos on the other cruise lines as things come up. So we appreciate it and thank you in advance. Okay, so let's move on to what's called the zero alcohol package. And before we get into what's included, it's important to note that this package is what anyone under 21 will get if you purchase the Princess Plus or the Princess Premier package. Now, we'll add a link in the description below for the video that we did talking about the Princess Plus and the Princess Premier packages.
So what's included in the zero alcohol package? All specialty or premium coffees and teas, and hot chocolate, fountain sodas, cans of soda, fresh juices and healthy smoothies from the juice bar, half-liter bottled water, frappes at Coffee and Cones.
So also included are mocktails and smoothies that are on the menu, Red Bull, 330 milliliter or half-liter bottles of sparkling water, energy drinks, and milkshakes if they're available.
Now, there are no age restrictions for either package. The packages work on the private islands and all onboard food and beverage venues. Not to mention any other areas such as the theater, public spaces, any place that offers beverage service. Obviously, selections and service are limited to the menu and operating hours of each area.
Okay, so let's talk about the pricing. So with the zero alcohol package, that one's $29.99 US per day plus an 18% service charge. So that's $35.39 per day. And so that price is the same everywhere except Australia. Now in Australia, it's $45 Australian per day, and that includes their service charge. The classic soda package is $14.99 per day plus an 18% gratuity, so that comes out to $17.69 per day. And that's, again, for everywhere that's not in Australia. The Australian package costs $23 Australian per day, so that also includes the gratuity.
As with most cruises, you may have to pay taxes on drinks when you are in a port.
Right.
It's the way it is. You will be charged the full amount for the entire cruise at the time of purchase, and you have to buy the package for your entire cruise, except in rare circumstances like the World Cruise. Yeah. If this is an option, it will actually show up when you purchase your package.
Right. Now, a few more details here. You can only buy it on day 1 or day 2 on board. For some weird reason, the way the Princess works, this is the same with the alcohol packages as well.
Right.
It's not available for pre-purchase within 3 days of sailing. Now, you can buy it from the moment you book your cruise all the way up until 4 days before, but for some reason they shut that down. I don't know what the reason is. Now, it's not refundable nor transferable once it's bought on board, and obviously for advanced purchases, the same rule applies. If you change your mind, you need to change your mind more than 3 days prior, because that's not refundable or transferable either within those 3 days of sailing.
The classic soda package doesn't include any of the bottled, specialty, or premium coffees and teas, hot chocolate, ice cream-based drinks, and neither package applies to anything offered in retail venues or shops on board. and you can't use them for minibar items.
You're like, I got the soda package and I want to get a bottle of alcohol out of the minibar. Yeah, that's not going to work. All right, now you can buy drinks in the souvenir glasses. However, that's going to be at an additional cost. I don't think it's the full price. I think they charge, just basically the cost of that souvenir glass. If and again, that's going to be soda. It excludes. It's not combinable with other programs or promotions. Maybe there's some onboard special or like a buy one get one offer. So you're like, I got the drink package. I'm going to buy one and get one for free for my friend who doesn't have the drink package. It doesn't work. The soda package, and it doesn't include food items like ice cream or whatever. Both packages, as I said before, they exclude alcoholic items. And, just like anything else, Princess can provide or requires any kind of additional restrictions. They kind of, they made the game, they make the rules.
One thing to keep in mind is only one beverage is allowed per guest per order, and sometimes they might make you wait for another drink. So keep that in mind. You can't share packages, and they often check to make sure that you are who you say you are. And Princess can cancel or put a pause on your package if you're being disruptive, wasteful, or if it looks like you're trying to cheat the system.
Right. So all in all, we think these are both really good packages. To be honest, at least in our opinion, the classic soda package is probably one of the best soda packages out there because it includes cocktails, or not cocktails, it includes mocktails. It doesn't include cocktails. Right. That's why it's the soda package. But it includes mocktails and smoothies. So, I mean, you kind of get, a pretty good bang for your buck out of it. So, hey, hopefully this video helps you understand those packages better. And, you can figure out which one you want to buy. So, that's it for now. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.